In a world driven by speed, precision, and innovation, the journey of a supercar begins long before it hits the road. From raw metal and carbon fiber to perfectly engineered performance, every second inside this factory is a symphony of machines, robotics, and human mastery working in flawless sync. Thousands of components, countless precision checks, and cutting-edge technology come together to create one extraordinary machine. This is not just manufacturing, this is the birth of power, luxury, and speed. Step inside and witness how a supercar is made from start to finish.
In the casting section, high-detail aluminum components are forged and rapidly cooled by automated systems.
The metallic layer looks flawless. System reports optimal thickness.
Confirmed. Initiating the clear coat application sequence.
Routing complete on the primary harness.
Acknowledged. Installing the microprocessor now. System check initiated.
Utilizing advanced robotic suction arms and laser guidance, the glass installation process is now seamless and highly efficient.